Brother versus Epson printheads. Which delivers better DTG efficiency and stability? In DTG printing, the printhead plays a critical role in determining performance and consistency. Different brands offer distinct strengths in speed, maintenance, and print quality. Today, we'll compare Epson printhead with Brother printhead on a dual-station DTG setup to see how they perform in real production scenarios. High spray contrast. Brother printheads support high-distance jetting up to 4 to 6 mm, making them ideal for thick cotton garments, canvas bags, fleece or long pile fabrics, as well as seams, zippers, and panel joins. No flattening needed. Print quality stays sharp and consistent. Print speed. For large color blocks, Brother heads outperform with larger droplet volume and wider jetting bandwidth. Precision comparison. In scenarios where extreme speed is not required, the Epson printhead becomes the benchmark choice in the field of high-precision printing with its ultra-high resolution of 720x2400 dpi. Brother's industrial-grade printheads are designed for durability and lower maintenance, making them ideal for demanding, around-the-clock production environments. With an integrated water cooling system, they maintain optimal operating temperature even during extended shifts, over 20 hours of continuous printing. Color contrast. Brother is equally good in color performance. Through exclusive ink calibration and precise jet control, its output is comparable to Epson. Maintenance rate. Larger nozzles mean less maintenance and minimal downtime. Combined with excellent ink compatibility, Brother offers an edge in long-term cost-effectiveness. Dual-station setups are built for efficiency, and with Brother printheads, their full performance potential can be more fully realized through faster, more stable output. If you are looking for speed, you can choose the Brother Duplex printer. If you are looking for more delicate printing quality, it is recommended that you choose the Epson Duplex printer. Brother industrial heads bring faster, steadier, and smarter DTG printing, speed and quality, all in one. Epson industrial print heads make DTG printing more realistic, softer and more delicate. Layers and transitions, artistic restoration.